Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Good morning from Tel Aviv, Israel. I am actually up in the morning without being up for 24 hours. So that's the first on this trip, so good for me. There is the Israeli flag. And this is Tel Aviv, Israel. And right over there is the Mediterranean Sea. People running, walking their dogs, riding bicycles, riding scooters. Any other physical activities they might be able to do, they're doing it. Welcome to Tel Aviv, Israel. Yesterday I made it to the steps over there before I got distracted by the sunset on the Mediterranean. Now I'm gonna keep walking down this boardwalk. Also, this shirt is not the same shirt that I wore yesterday or that I've been wearing. It's a different shirt that I bought in Germany, in Stuttgart, Germany at Pull & Bear. It's not as plaid as the other one is, if that makes any sense. This is the shirt I'm wearing today, and this is the shirt that I was wearing yesterday. A little bit of a difference. Well, I am getting hungry now. I haven't had any breakfast, so now I am going to find somewhere to get something to eat here in Tel Aviv, Israel. First, I'm going to wash my feet off because, yeah. Well, I just stopped by this beachside restaurant. A little expensive, but why not enjoy it? I'm only in Tel Aviv once. My meal came with 2 drinks, so I got a Coca-Cola and orange juice. I got an omelet with some salmon, salad, feta cheese, hummus. I knew my breakfast was going to be expensive, but I didn't think it was going to be that expensive. It was 104 shekels, which is $30 US. That was definitely not worth no $30. So be careful when you eat on the beach here in Tel Aviv, Israel, because you might get ripped off. Definitely not worth it. All right, I'm not gonna let that ruin my trip here in Tel Aviv, so let's keep on. If I get hungry again today, I'm gonna have to eat somewhere fairly cheap, even if that means McDonald's, because I can't be eating no $30 meals twice a day. I still have to go back to Milan, Italy, and Italy is not cheap to eat either. Well, if you want to eat authentic Italian cuisine. And then I gotta go to Paris, which I think I can get by fairly cheap in Paris, because I do know a pretty cheap taco place that I really do like, so I have no problems eating cheap in Paris. But it is Paris, so it's not cheap. I kind of want to rent a bike. but I don't know where I would put my GoPro. So it would be nice to ride a bike on the boardwalk here in Tel Aviv. It would make for getting around faster. Well, I think I'm gonna head back up these steps and get a Coke up here because I did like the views from up here. This area really does remind me of what I've seen of Greece. Maybe it's just how Mediterranean cities look. I don't know. But it is pretty synonymous with Greece, more so than any other country. But I love how it looks up here. I'm gonna go to this store right here and get a Coke. Ooh, I'm out of breath. If you're curious how much Coca-Cola is here in Tel Aviv, it's around 8 to 10 shekels. Varies from place to place. I've seen it 10 shekels, more so than 8. I think I had it for 8 shekels at the place that I had this shawarma yesterday. I really am out of breath. But yeah, it's 8 to 10 shekels, which is a little over $2. Getting the money out now. I know it's 10 shekels here for a Coca-Cola. I just need this and I'm good. All right, let's go get a Coca-Cola and enjoy this beautiful Monday afternoon or noon. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it here in Israel? Oh, it's still morning time. I'm going to get a Coca-Cola and sit over here and enjoy the morning here in Tel Aviv, Israel. Okay, I have my Coca-Cola. It is actually 8 shekels at this place. So still a little over $2, but $2 US. I'm gonna sit over here somewhere and enjoy my Coke. Probably right here. Right here seems good. Okay, I am going to enjoy my Coca-Cola here in Tel Aviv, Israel. And there is the Israeli flag. Cheers from Tel Aviv, Israel. It just tastes different. Not a bad different, it just tastes different. Okay, I've been beachside all morning and all last night. I think it's time that I actually head into the city and see more of Tel Aviv than just the Mediterranean Sea. So let's walk up these stairs. Okay, I'll be at the beach later on today, just because I have to, because my hostel is on the beach. So I'm gonna head out into the city now to check out more of Tel Aviv than just the Mediterranean Sea. Tel Aviv is called the White City because of the Bauhaus architecture of the buildings here. Well, mainly that building right there. This one a little bit. It has nothing to do with race, just the buildings, just the style of the buildings. I am in Israel. Yeah. I guess they have a lot of Italian places here in Tel Aviv. Maybe there's a reason for that, I don't know. Tel Aviv seems like a very liberal, forward-thinking city. So like if you are gay and you want to visit Tel Aviv, feel free because you'll be fine. You can be open about it if you want. They do have gay pride flags in quite a few areas of Tel Aviv, so you should feel comfortable. Here is another Italian place over here. They must really like Italian food here in Tel Aviv, Israel. Look at this cute cat. Hey buddy, where you going? And another Italian place. Oh wait. And another Italian place. They must really like Italian food here in Tel Aviv. That's like the 5th Italian restaurant that I've seen in the past 3 minutes of walking around. So here's another cute cat. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Oh, he let me pet him. I'm petting my first Israeli cat. Yeah. Alright, I gotta keep walking, I'm sorry. It's cute though. Look at all the cameras this building has. And bicycles. Hello. I think that was a government building or some ministry building, so obviously they need cameras. I love how everything is like in Hebrew. Makes it look so authentic. And more Italian food. Why not? Hey, I think I came here yesterday. I love Tel Aviv. They have a Toys R Us here in Tel Aviv, and it's actually open. Toys R Us is closed in America, so. Well, I am heading back to the beach, which means I'm heading to my hostel because I need to get some videos from Stuttgart up, and then videos from Milan up, and then eventually videos from Tel Aviv. I think I'm going to do 2 videos for today. One of the daytime here in Tel Aviv, Israel, which is what everything you just saw in this video, and then later tonight I'll do a walk around Tel Aviv at night, showing you the nightlife, I guess, here on the beachfront, and maybe I'll walk out into the city a little bit. Well, the whole thing is the city, but you know what I mean. Well, I just got to my hostel, and now I'm gonna work on getting my videos uploaded and also edit some of them on iMovie. So this is going to be the end of part 1 of the November 12th vlog for Tel Aviv, Israel. See y'all a little bit later on today. Be sure to give this part of the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. My name is Zack, and I do like to backpack around the world.